Hey guys, Nancy here. I wanted to invite you to my free art printables masterclass. Now, many people think that in order to start an arts printable shop, they have to be creative or tech savvy. And I'm here to say this is far from the truth. I personally was able to start my arts printable Etsy shop that helped me generate $21,000 my first year on Etsy without having any prior experience when it came to creating any type of printables. I wasn't even an artist and still managed to open several successful Etsy shops and triple my income the second year to $86,000. I also like the fact that opening an arts printable Etsy shop has little upfront costs, no shipping fees because you're not sending anything out, right? And low overhead expenses. Now, the hardest part for many people who want to start an arts printable shop is overthinking it and letting the fear monster hold them back. And I'm here to tell you that I have experienced and also conquer that fear firsthand. So I understand. And the Arts Printable Masterclass is a good fit if you could answer yes to any of the following questions. If you ever think about how you can make more money, right? If your income is dependent of you showing up at work, if you want multiple streams of income, maybe you have been, right, wanting to start an Etsy shop selling art printables. Maybe you want to start making passive income on Etsy, but don't really know how to get started. Or you're ready to make a change in your life and tired of working at a job that you hate. I mean, we could all relate to that. If you answer yes to any of these questions, then my masterclass will be a great fit for you. Everything you will learn in the actual masterclass can be applied to any type of platform, whether you want to start an arts printable shop on Etsy, maybe you want to try Shopify, or a different platform like your own website. So let's go over what you will learn when you enroll in the free masterclass. I'm going to talk about how I was able to triple my income to $86,000 selling arts printables. I'm going to also tackle the biggest misconceptions about starting an arts printable business. And I'm going to tell you the 3 essential elements that you need today to start your very own arts printable shop. So if you're interested, click on the link below to sign up for the free art printables masterclass. And I will see you at the class. And thank you so much for watching.